One thing about dopamine that I just want to make sure I mention, and based on something you said earlier, is that one interesting question about the brain is just asking the question, how do we segment time? How do you know that this podcast obviously has a beginning and a middle and an end, but how do we segment time? And so there have been some beautiful experiments done recently showing that, for instance, if you're watching a sports game, regardless of whether or not your team scores, like let's say basketball goes down court, let's say they miss the three-pointer and then it's a close game, there's a little blip of dopamine that says that was one segment of time. And so dopamine is a big way in which we segment time. The other way are blinks, believe it or not.
What?
Yeah, that every time we blink, this is a paper published in Current Biology, every time we blink, we reset our perception of time.
That one I understand more, I guess, than the dopamine. Why would dopamine be involved in time?
Perfect question.